How to pack travel makeup bags. The airport's strict security regulations have made preparing a makeup bag one of the most stressful parts of packing. Hence, in this case, you need to think smart and choose such bags that are not only sturdy but of the suitable size as well. Popular cosmetic bag manufacturer USA have designed quirky travel makeup bags that you can browse from to make your investment. Meanwhile, let's find out how to pack makeup bags for travel. Choose small. Choosing the correct makeup bag is one of the most important parts of the packing process. Opt for a bag that is compact, can be easily cleaned, and is well compartmentalized with clear plastic pockets. A compact bag makes your products easy to access and keeps them safe from bouncing around throughout your travels. Follow your daily routine. The easiest way to pack your makeup bag is to go through your daily makeup routine and taking note of every beauty product you use. These are the ones you'll want to take with you on your trip. Packing only the essentials is key to ensuring your makeup bag stays compact and manageable. Travel-sized products. Many makeup brands are now producing travel-size versions of their products. Eliminate all of your luggage weight problems by packing all the smaller versions of the daily products. Or you can seek travel-size containers to hold your makeup if you can't find miniature versions. Look for free samples that beauty stores offers on every purchase. Use Ziplocs. Your makeup bag may be the last thing you pack before a trip, but resist the urge to toss everything in, zip and go. Start by grouping similar items together and packing them into Ziploc bags to protect your other items in case something spills or breaks. Pack carefully. Place the heaviest, least breakable items on the bottom of your makeup bag, then stack the more fragile items like powders or brushes on top. Pad the Ziplocs with makeup sponges or cotton balls to keep fragile cosmetics safe. Make a list. When you return home from your travels, take note of the items in your makeup bag that were never used as well as items that you had to purchase or wish you'd packed. Consult the list the next time you're packing for a trip, and the process will get easier every time. Therefore, retailers who are looking for travel-specific bags for their collection this year can contact the popular bag manufacturer in USA, browse through the collection and find out about the pieces that appeal to your brand's aesthetics. Communicate your bulk needs to the customer care team for the investment.